Hello and welcome to How To For You. Have you ever wiped your windshield wipers and you notice those really annoying streaks on your windshield, kind of like this? Well, today I'm going to show you a really simple trick in order to get rid of that. All you're going to need to do is get some paper towels, some WD-40, and then what I would recommend starting with is taking off your windshield wipers on your car. So here's what you're going to need to do. First, you're going to get your paper towel, and then you're going to get your WD-40. And I would liberally spray one. Just grab your windshield wiper and I would just run it all up and down the blade here. And look at all of that crud that comes off there. So we're gonna do a couple of passes on it. And we're gonna make sure we get all of that grit and that grime off. Just make sure it's not super dark. We'll make sure really get rid of all that stuff. So maybe even do like 3 or 4 passes. So now we'll make sure we just do it on the other ones. And so look at all of that crap that came off of these blades. And my car wasn't even that dirty. The point of this is WD-40 will actually rejuvenate that sort of rubber in there. It'll make it better and it'll give it a nice cleaner edge so where that it pulls it off. You know, when it does the wipes, there's no streaks left because there's nothing between the blade and the shield. So check this out. So turning on the windshield wipers. As you can see here, it's leaving a much less of a streak now than it was before. So thank you so much for watching. This is a great tip. I do highly recommend it. Please like and subscribe.